Capsule numéro 49.
Okay, this morning I started in English. My reading is about the one thing really interesting.
You love it.
One of the big lie of is the multitasking. To do two things at once is to do neither. So if doing the most important thing is the most important thing, why would you try to do anything else at the same time? So it's a lie to think that multitasking is efficient. Efficiency?
Efficient. That's
Yeah.
good.
Okay, multitaskers are just lousy at everything. And that's come from a study, a big study at Harvard. They made two groups and the supposed multitasker, they were just lousy on the job.
On everything.
On everything.
Okay.
Okay. So that's important to remember that. More than 6 million web pages are present on the web to teach people how to multitask. That's not the right way to do things. One thing at a time. Actually, they say it's not a way of life, multitasking. It's a way of lie. We lie to ourselves. Multitasking is merely the opportunity to screw up more than one thing at a time. That's really interesting. Okay, I have some more. It's not that we have too little time to do all the things we need to do. It's that we feel the need to do too many things in the time we have. Let's think about it.
I like that.
That's a good one.
I like that.
Juggling. They compare multitasking to juggling. Think that juggling, you have 3 balls, but there's only one who came in and out of your hand.
So you never have the 3 at the same time.
Your brain cannot do that. Where's my page? There's something really interesting about it. Because it compared to juggling, because the channel has only, we can do 2 things that use the same part of our brain. So if we use the same channels, we're gonna screw up the job. If we need to do 2 jobs that need concentration for the same area of our brain, it won't work. That's why you can talk and walk. I mean, you cannot do 2 serious jobs at a time in your office.
With the same concentration.
With the same concentration. It's impossible because it uses the same area of the brain. So, to finish that, figure out what matters most in the moment and give it your undivided attention.
Yeah.
That's a good one. So?
You're my best project. Okay. Oh, I switched to French.
Okay.
Les secrets d'un esprit millionnaire. Ça là, ceux qui réussissent sont plus grands que leurs problèmes.
Okay.
Ceux qui réussissent pas sont plus petits que leurs problèmes. Une échelle de 1 à 10. Si toi, tu te considères un 3 et que tu te retrouves face à un problème qui est 5, c'est un gros problème.
Un gros problème. Okay.
Par contre, si tu travailles sur toi pour devenir un 7 et que là, tu as le même problème qui est 5, ça va être un petit problème. On revient toujours à il faut travailler plus sur nous que sur notre travail.
Okay.
Et puis, donc, la taille du problème n'est jamais ce qui compte. Ce qui compte, c'est votre taille à vous.
Intéressant.
J'aime ça.
C'est une question d'attitude, beaucoup.
Mais tout à fait. Puis, moi, la phrase, suite à ça, OK? Donc, c'est nous par rapport au problème. En définitive, si vous pensez maître de l'art de régler des problèmes et de surmonter tout obstacle, qu'est-ce qui peut stopper votre réussite? Rien. Et si rien ne peut vous arrêter, vous devenez impossible à arrêter.
J'aime ça, moi.
Hein? Et si vous devenez impossible à arrêter, quel choix avez-vous dans la vie? Tous les choix.
Ouais.
Si vous êtes impossible à arrêter, tout s'offre à vous. Vous n'avez qu'à le choisir et il devient vôtre. Que pensez-vous de ce type de liberté?
J'adore.
I love it. À demain!